Welcome to J&J's test video for S3HU193 03 Hummer, bad transmission in reverse, and just a bunch of Hummer stuff that's bad. Window switch, door panels, has 237,000 miles on it. Just time to go to meet its maker. Good motor, decent oil pressure, been running the whole time I've had it. Woo! Car wash water comes flying out there. It's just kind of a bucket. Good wheels, good tires, good rear bumper. Just most of your Hummer stuff. The mirrors do work. The right seat track's good. We'll just pull that out. But like the trim is just kind of There you go, we'll give her a drive. They're idling. It had the manifold bolts done as well, so if you look down in there, you can see the manifold studs have been replaced. This seat track doesn't work, it's barely fit in here, so I can drive it, but I gotta be laying down and sideways, tilt wheel all the way up. Alright, here we go. Just feel the transmission sluggish. Everything else works though. Oh, I'll show you the mirrors work. All right, there you go. That is S3HU. Oh, my door's locked. 193, I believe. 237,000 mile 03H2. I'm stuck in it. As always, thank you for watching. And have your pet spayed and neutered and buy a dropout.